Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Gene's PHTV vlog. And tonight's videos, we are going to unbox Blocky's Pokemon Pikachu Prologue of Adventure. Uh, so Blocky's made it again. Pokemon. So let's check this inside now. Oh, by the way, I brought in the Toy Kingdom, worth of 299, I think. And yep, just like God Blast, just like Gundam, they have the partial assembly, and they have just articulated joints. Uh, let's check inside. Let's do. Oh. Yep. Medyo naligat tayo. Medyo matibay kasi yung Blockies Yan. So, titignan natin kung ano yung loob nito. Ilalagay ko sa baba yung Optimus Prime ko na Blockies din. Then, ginawa ko siyang video last time. And, here it goes. Tingnan natin. Wow! Guys! Ang ganda niya rin pala niya. Meron siyang poster, and meron din siyang cards, Pikachu cards. Hindi ko alam kung cards ba to o ano ba tawag dito. Basta, hindi ko alam. Comment down below, no? Kung anong tawag na dito sa ating cards. And meron siyang ano ba to? Sticker yata ito. Yes, it's the sticker and base. So, ang ganda din pala ng Blockies. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito ganda ng Pokemon. I got the Pokepla na Bandai, and I got Pikachu ng Blockies na mouse Pikachu. Yep, mouse. So, bubuin ko siya siguro sa mga next few days. Tapos, nagkakaroon tayo ng reviews na ito. Sobrang ganda niya guys, sobra. This is the second blocks that I buy in the toy store. Sabi. So, yan tayo. Pinasok natin yung hobby na to. So, walang titikit. I hopefully nag-enjoy ako sa hobby na to. So, nag-enjoy naman ako sa hobby. So, medyo tatagal din ako nawala sa vlog. So, I will upload this unboxing video. Then, yep. See you guys in the next video, and abangan nyo yung reviews na ito. Okay, thank you. Good night.